Alright guys, what a beautiful day, man. We're gonna go and rip some packs. We're gonna have some fun. I hope you guys do too.
Choppers, better took those risks. Cold blood in my fists, we fire starters. One out of a million will reach those heights. Always set a feeling that I won't deny that work. Never could toss. Look at my eyes, I'm on the rocks, guys.
Alright, after hours of soldering and tinkering because it's beta flight, no offense to the beta flighters, we're finally leaving. Oh, and by the way, the gyro was dead. And someone soldered the XT60 backwards. I won't say any names. Because it was me. And we're off. Let's go. We're going to go ahead and have some fun. Rip some packs. What a beautiful day, huh? Look at that sun.
I get my big guy out. Jesus.
Choppers, better took those risks. Cold blood in my fists, we fire starters. One out of a million will reach those heights. Always set a feeling that I won't deny that work. Never could toss. Look at my eyes, I'm on the rocks, guys. A couple milli now, I'm causing a commotion. I've been coasting, hear my name around the world like an explosion.
So rise up.